This morning and this afternoon, I came here to see the progress of the National Defense College, Uganda. This is a college that we are starting up for the first time. The National Defense College in other countries is actually, some of them are the think tanks for the government. It's a college that takes on general officers at the rank of 1 star, 2 star, probably also senior colonels, but also with time we shall be able to take on civil servants and officers from ministries, departments and agencies. National Defense College is really a strategic college. It takes on officers that are ready to go into leadership at the strategic level. And the students are selected students. It is not random. They are selected students who have qualified and deserve to be able to hold and wear proudly the symbol of the NDC. At this college, they will also run a master's program, Masters in Security and Strategic Studies. We have been affiliated to Makerere University, and there has been whatever it takes, whatever is required has been put in place. The National Council for Higher Education has looked at our curriculum here, and we've got hope that this is another big step in professionalizing the army. I consider this a huge step. Now here at this level we shall be seeing the impact of defense, security and development. So it is a very, very important college. We shall no longer be doing things by chance, but we shall look at the direct impact of security and development.